Hi, I'm Busy Bee from Germany. This is my little channel, and today we are going to transform this old Francie head into something completely new. So stay tuned in! In case you don't know what a reroot is, you take a head without hair and you give it new hair again, and that's your reroot. Before we begin with the reroot, let's have a look inside the head with my endoscopic camera. To brighten the yellowed head, we'll let Francie's head soak in a bath of denture cleaner. It's a simple but effective trick. As you can see, Francie's head was very dirty. I already pre-cleaned the head yesterday, and this came off the head, so I'm not sure if this was not repainted with a Copic marker or with another pencil or felt tip. I removed it with isopropanol, but we let her in there in her glass for the next 2 days. After the bath, the head looks much brighter and fresher. Now, let's start the reroot. For the rerooting, we need a pair of scissors, a pair of pliers, a bowl with water. Today it's not hot, it's cold. We have here our little head, a little towel. We have thread, I have my doll needle, I have my hair. No, I'm not sponsored by anyone, and I have a crochet hook here. Now let's start with preparing the head for the reroot. What I do now is removing the hair that we have on her head, because I don't want her to be a blonde afterwards. So now let's remove the hair that we have on her head now. And the easiest way to get rid of it is to cut what we have. I know it looks brutal to some of you. But it's the easiest way to remove the hair. If you are a researcher and you need doll hair, please let me know. I always keep the doll hair of my reroots so that it's still available for any researcher. I don't know if you ever had the chance to look into a prepared doll head for a reroot, but that's what you see inside. It's still not totally cleaned up, but it's really hard to clean it completely 100%. Some streaks are always left in the head, but they don't bother us. She's prepared for the reroot. Now let's start rerooting her. Like the last times, we do it this way. We start. And we're done. She's ready. Completely filled with new hair. A look inside reveals how securely the new hair is unshirt. It's a thorough and stable process. My method is to finish every reroot with a bit of yarn. So the next step is to prepare the crest part for separating. So let's start. I already wetted the hair a bit, that it's easier. It's not the most exciting task, but we are making her a nice crest part and we are separating the streaks. My dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed the transformation of our little Francie here. Isn't she looking great again? If you have any questions or you have a project suggestion for the next projects, please leave me a comment below. Thanks for staying here until the end of the video. If you have a friend or two of yours that also enjoy Barbie restoration, please share this video. This is live content so that we can continue doing this here. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!